Hello friends, welcome to video tutorial of Safety. In this simulation, we are going to see the effect of horizontal electric field in addition to gravity. Here, electric field is having a slider. We can change the electric field as per our wish. If you want to see the field, we can click on this icon and we can see the field here. We can change the field as per our needs, the strength of our field, and to see the forces, you can click here to see. And if there is no damping, you can unclick it. So when we will run this simulation, the disk is going to be at some stable equilibrium at an angle theta. So let's see the simulation here. This is the position time graph for the disk. If I try to move it from here, it will do a to and fro motion or a simple harmonic motion. Here we can see the time period of it. If we change the electric field by this slider, then we can see that the stable position, stable angle shifted a bit. If we select A equal to 0, that is electric field equal to 0, and damp it, it will come to rest in some time in vertical direction because there is no force now. If we increase the electric field lines magnitude, then it will come to another stable equilibrium. See the effect of damping on the graph.